Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dance Skiller!
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skiller! You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skiller! Alright, everyone, you don't know who this already. That is Skiller, you see it? Iglarin Vendarin, Jamaica's greatest sales representative, them, you see me? Alright, now me have one video where I go prove my point right here, so where it go show say the people them where you see own the big stores like, you know, like the Levi's and the Lee's and these big stores, you know what I mean? If them should ever go into the street and take one of these people you see sell them peanut and them bag juice and make them become a sales representative, them clothes sell off. The store would have empty. Listen to big brother how himself feed peanut them. Observe.
Everybody who not see me here, I sell the peanut, they sell them cheap with discount price. So the more you buy, the less you pay. Me sell one for 56 for 300. Plus me sell with guarantee. If you buy and you eat it and your belly don't feel good and your mind tell us like peanut can't see on the you can bring it back. You get back your money now because you bring it back to church. Amen. So me have that with the church and that without the church and that with the salt and that without the salt and that with the sugar and that without the sugar. Signifies that it's diabetic and diabetic and me never raise it. But it every minute for me to drop it. Daddy!
Guess what me I talk about? Yo, not more than they see this man on the ball field with the peanut nana and I say, yo, not sorry, wherever I go. You see me I say? Just by how him say it, the people can't help it but say, yo, listen, me want this, me want you do this for me, Ray. The man craft bad. You see me? The man's, well, you hear what I'm saying, no? But if you say it back the exact way you say it, you can't do that. No matter if you even slow it down or not. You see me? So me going to explain what me hear here so. To Uno. The man said, he must sell peanut. The more you buy, the less you pay. If you hurt your belly, you bring it back, you get a refund or an exchange. You have it salt, you have it dry, you have it sugar, you have it this, you have it that. So me I say, yo, it's sell the shot, man, the shot. Yo, you're going to the town and hear some of my man them sell some of the time and hear the pan. Bag juice. And then look at see there's a whistle between them also. That alone draw the attention of everybody. Bag juice done in no time. Tell them man, they say if them youths ever get certain opportunity to be a sales representative for some of them big stores everything sell off. It no matter which store it be. You see me? Alright, now watch nothing still anyways. You them just need a bus. You see me I say? When I say a bus, I mean not the bus that then take out a road. I mean a real break. You get what I say to you? Once them get that, you see what go on, man. You see me I say? Alright, if you don't know, so if you respect the peanut man I say, yo, left in the comment, let me know what you think. You see me I say, if you're brand new to my channel, click the subscribe button. You know the thing set already. At the Dancehall Skiller channel. You see me I say? And I'm my name Skiller. And that way just say, a Dancehall Skiller ENT. Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dance Skiller!
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skiller! You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.